Leading SAFe versus SAFe POPM versus SSM to career and salary comparison. Choosing the wrong SAFe certification can slow your career. Here's how to choose between AI-empowered leading SAFe, SAFe POPM, and SAFe Scrum Master. In the next 10 minutes, I'll break it down. Roles, career paths, and real salary insights so you can choose the right SAFe certification for your future. If you're planning to build a career in Agile at scale, SAFe certifications are among the most powerful options today. Now, with AI becoming a core part of Agile delivery, SAFe certifications are evolving into AI-empowered programs. Organizations worldwide are adopting SAFe with AI-driven practices to improve speed, decision-making, and business agility. At Simpliaxis, we've trained thousands of professionals, and one of the most common questions we get is, which SAFe certification should I choose? Let's simplify this. SAFe stands for Scaled Agile Framework. It helps organizations scale Agile across teams, programs, and portfolios, now enhanced with AI-supported decision-making and automation. In simple terms, Scrum works for teams, SAFe works for enterprises. AI-empowered leading SAFe focus, enterprise-level Agile transformation with AI-driven insights. Audience, managers, leaders, decision-makers. Goal, align strategy with execution using data and AI. Think, big picture leadership. AI-empowered SAFe POPM. Focus, product strategy with AI-assisted prioritization. Audience, product owners, product managers. Goal, manage backlog, features, and business value using insights. Think, what to build and why. AI-empowered SAFe Scrum Master. Focus, team-level execution with AI-supported workflows. Audience, Scrum Masters, team facilitators. Goal, enable teams, remove blockers, improve efficiency. Think, how teams deliver. Let's simplify this with a comparison. Leading SAFe leads to strategy and transformation, leads to leadership. SAFe POPM leads to product and value delivery, leads to mid-level SSM, leads to team execution, leads to entry to mid-level. Leading SAFe is strategic. POPM is product-focused. SSM is operational. AI enhances all three roles, but the level of impact differs based on responsibility. Each certification targets a different layer of the organization, not different difficulty levels. AI-empowered leading SAFe career path. Agile Coach, Release Train Engineer, Program Manager, Transformation Leader. Ideal if you want leadership roles. AI-empowered SAFe POPM career path. Product Owner, Product Manager, Business Analyst, Product Leader. Ideal if you enjoy product strategy. AI-empowered SAFe Scrum Master career path. Scrum Master, Agile Coach, Team Lead. Ideal if you enjoy team facilitation. Let's talk numbers. SAFe Scrum Master. India, 12 to 25 lakhs per annum. Global, 110,000 to 140,000. Leading SAFe, 18 to 30 plus lakhs per annum, depending on experience. SAFe POPM, 15 to 30 lakhs per annum, depending on product experience. AI-enabled skills can further increase your market value and demand. SAFe certifications can increase salaries by 15 to 30% or more. If you choose leading SAFe, you want leadership roles. You work with multiple teams. You aim for Agile transformation. If you choose SAFe POPM, you're into product strategy. You work with stakeholders and customers. You want product manager roles. If you choose SSM, you're starting Agile career. You want Scrum Master roles. You work directly with teams. Here's the truth. There is no single best SAFe certification. There's only one that aligns with your career goals. Leadership to leading SAFe, product to POPM, team to SSM. With AI now integrated into Agile practices, choosing the right certification becomes even more important. If you choose correctly, SAFe can significantly accelerate your career growth and salary potential. If you're serious about your agile career, explore AI-empowered SAFe certification programs with Simpliaxis, designed for the future of agile. Links are in the description. Don't just learn agile, lead it with AI.